Well guys, today you are going to learn how to easily graph a linear equation. Again, the objective, I can graph linear equation. Remember, y equals mx plus b. Our m and our b. Our m is slope or the rise and run. M equals rise over run. The b, always remember, the b is our y-intercept. Let's review. So this is our x-axis and our y-axis. So this is an example of a graph with x and y axis. Let's have an example. Y equals 1/2 x plus 4. How are we going to graph this? Always remember, the 4 here is our y-intercept and the 1/2 is our slope, or the m equals rise over run. Let's use this graph. How to graph this? First, number 1, let's start with the y-intercept, which is 4 or positive 4. Look for positive 4 in the y-intercept. There you go. That's it. Second, or the next step, then rise or go up 1 unit. That is our 1 there, and we're gonna go 1 unit. You see the green arrow going up 1 time, 1 unit. And run or go right, how many times? 2 times. 1 and 2. And we put a dot in there. The third step, then draw the line that will connect the dots. Straight line, just like that. Y equals 1/2 x plus 4 looks like this. This is our linear equation, and we just graph it. Just like that. Let's have another example. Y equals -2/3x plus 6. Again, don't forget that 6 here is the y-intercept. And the -2/3 is our slope, or the m equals rise over run. Now let's graph this. How are we going to graph this? First step, let's start with the y-intercept, which is plus 6 or positive 6. Let's look for positive 6 there. Oh, there you go. It's in there. Our y-intercept is 6, or is located at 6. What is our next step? Our next step is rise or go down 2 units. Why go down 2 units? Because it is negative. So what are we going to do? What will happen? Look at the arrow there, the green arrow, going down 2 units. And after that, run or go right 3 units. That's our signal. Then we count 1, 2, and 3, and we put a dot in that place. There you go. And the third step, then draw the line that will connect the dots. Just like that. We graphed y equals -2/3x plus 6. That's it. Let's have another example. Y equals 3x minus 3. Again, don't forget the y-intercept and the slope or the m. Let's graph this. First step, let's start with the y-intercept, which is negative 3. Let's look for negative 3 here. It should be in the y-axis. There it is, our negative 3. What is our next step? Our next step, rise or go up 3 units. That is our signal. 1, 2, and 3. And run or go right. How many times? There you go, the invisible one is there. We are going to go right 1 time. There you go, look at the green arrow and put a dot in it. And what's the next step? The third step. Then draw the line that will connect the dots. Just like that, you just graph y equals 3x minus 3. That's it. You got it. Your turn. Graph y equals 5x minus 2. The clue, the y-intercept, and the slope, or the m, equals rise over run. This is your graph. Timer starts now. I'll give you 30 seconds to answer that. Are you ready? Okay. Let's graph this linear equation. How to graph this? We have 3 steps. First, let's start with the y-intercept, which is negative 2. Look for negative 2. There it is. Let's put dot in it. There you go. That is our negative 2, our y-intercept. What's the next step? The second step. Then rise or go up 5 units. Why go up 5 units? Because it's positive. Always remember, if it is positive, go up or rise up. If it is negative, go down. So, that's our signal, 5. It's positive, so we're going to go up 5 times. Look at the green arrow. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then put dot in it. Oh, not yet. No, I'm sorry. Then run or go right. How many times? There's the invisible one. We're gonna go right or run 1 time. Look at the green arrow. Then don't forget to put the dot in there. What's the third step? Draw the line that will connect the dots. Just like that. You got it. You just graphed y equals 5x minus 2. That's it. You got it. Practice time. Again, the objective, I can graph linear equation. Graph the following. Number 1, y equals 7x minus 6. Number 2, y equals negative 3 over 5x plus 1. Number 3, y equals 3 over 2x plus 5. Number 4. Y equals negative 6x plus 2. And number 5, y equals negative 2 over 5x minus 5. I'll give you time to answer this. If you need more time, we can pause this video.
Thanks for watching.